Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the massive love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. As I always say, there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because here I go knock out to you back to back, and here I go give out to you. So recently, that was yesterday, Asari Dokubo come land for inside church. He asked for prayers, of which the pastor prayed for him, and he also urged the church, the pastor, everybody to remember him in prayers. A lot of people say na lie, you say Asari Dokubo they not believe him. Say Asari Dokubo cannot be a Christian. Say Asari Dokubo not go even enter church, not talking about asking for prayers or go the house of God say they do thanksgiving. To me, I see Asari Dokubo of a truth, he go church. So immediately after Asari Dokubo got home, he started the normal exposition. Now, when Asari Dokubo don't give a life to Christ, waiting you won't do. There is a way you cannot hide something. You must confess. Yes, so you must confess and you must expose everything. Even when person not ask you, you go confess and you go expose. Now, Asari Dokubo don tell Nigerians where the really money really dey. All along, you people are just looking elsewhere. Una they look where not they look una. You people are pointing accusing figures of people when they say those people not even get money. Asari Dokubo don tell una say, wetin una dey see na shikishin. Say na Abuja na the money dey. I don't really want to talk too much. I want you to listen and hear from Asari Dokubo himself. Now, listen end. I'll be right back.
Through my friends and my contacts. If I decide to aspire to become a miner of Calabar, I have every right, and I might aspire. And then that much,
the art of Calabar.
As I'm sitting here, even before the coming of IYC, they said militant. I've always said I don't know who is a militant and what a militant is, because I operate on the global level with broad-based mass movement, whether in South Africa, whether in Libya, whether in any part of the world, whether in the Philippines with the Moro liberation movement. There are almost all the revolutionary leaders in this world know me by name, even if they have not seen me. I attended revolutionary conferences, symposia, and fora. They know me by name. Is it in Iraq? Akalumi brother, NFG brother, and a bad woman, Koru, what's the matter? So when you talk, when you are so little, now I am the only person that I know that I've never interfered in any of the oil producing community in my place. Do not go in cotton channel. I have never interfered. I don't go to any person. You must give me contract. In fact, the security contract for OML 18, the one meant for Alakri fields was given to Ateketon of Okochiri. The one meant for the field of K, Krakrama, and Bile was given to my brother Alale also. But the one meant for cotton China was not given to me. In fact, I never heard it said. It was yesterday I was being told that they are going to bring strangers from outside to give it to them. Cross-check it. Whenever I say something, I say it openly. He said I bootlick president. Which president? Obasanjo put me on the ground. Did I bootlick him? Yaradua arrested me twice. Did I bootlick him? Yaradua arrested me twice. Did I bootlick it? I speak to power because they are so afraid. Today, I put at risk my multi-billion business. I don't do business here. The real money is not here. These little tiny Lilliputians, dwarfs, Kumblu. The real money is not here. The real money is in Abuja. And before I go to Abuja, I don't sleep in the night. When they are sleeping, drinking alcohol, going to nightclub and so on, me, I am inside my house thinking. This is my office. This one you see is my office. When they are doing that, I am not involved. I go to Abuja and I think of something. And I make money. Let him point. The companies are all around. Whether me, I took any security contract from anywhere. Any pipeline security contract from anywhere. Let them go and check. My involvement in pipeline was only doing good luck. And it was a consortium of 4 people. Adev, Ateke, Dokubo, Papa and Para, Adev Energy Services Limited. And since after that, I've not been involved in their pipeline. I said it here. The president is alive. When I met the president on camera and behind camera, the president said, I heard that this pipeline contract, they've shared it, they didn't give you. I said, yes, sir. I called him daddy. I said, yes, daddy. He said, do you want to be part of it? I said, I don't want. I'm saying it on camera again. He's alive. And like I said, if he's not watching, they will take it to him and he will watch it. I said, I don't want. I told him, I don't want. But I'm going to help whoever you give this contract to. That the one I am doing, make it bigger for me. The president has not added 1 kobo to the one I'm doing that Buhari gave to me. I was one of the greatest critics of Buhari. How did I come about my contract? I was in my house here in Obama when they came looking for me. They know my capacity.
Yes, sir.
They asked me, will you be able to deliver? I said, inshallah. And we went and we did what?
We delivered.
We went and we did what?
We delivered.
Pokey. So it's not about me. I'm a job man, I'm a Calabari man. I'm leading a walking new house. Your head no correct when you won't call me another name. I'm a walking new chief. You're a walking new alabo. Omalabo. You're a papa. You're a bijalaba. You're a diabali. Anaria.
Jarobare bagama
Mimba mebio, Jarubare
Everybody oroku no no bete. Jarobare bagama mimba mebio. Jarobare bagama.
Yes, so Jarubare Bagama, Mimba mebio.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
So it's like going to accuse King Charles of being King Charles. Eh? Somebody going to accuse King Charles of being a what?
King Charles.
I'm not on the same level with most of these people you talk about. If you want an open debate, come. Remove the mask from your face. My face, I don't remove glass. Kokolo, me toro.
So,
Elegant face.
face to face.
Face the fear.
Face.
Elegant face.
Their face, they fear your face.
Oh, lot to come in.
So, if this man who does not have name and face calling me banditry, I am not talking of my father's achievement. Yesterday I sat with one of my closest friends, and I told people, all my mates from primary school to university, my mates, maybe apart from Akpabio, who is Senate President, I have never been in government.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. I still may want and only progress the analysis. I bring all the update to you back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.